Good morning, students. We are learning Kingdom Animalia, completed non-chordates. Now, in Chordata phylum. In previous session, I gave outline classification of phylum Chordata. Chordates are with central nervous system located towards dorsal side. Primitive chordates has notochord. Higher chordates where notochord replaced by vertebral column. There is a presence of either gills for respiration or lungs for respiration. They have post-anal tail. They have blood corpuscles like RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Chordates are either oviparous, viviparous and some are ooviviparous. This I'll explain one by one. Most of them are poikilotherms, cold-blooded, as they continuously change their body temperature according to environmental conditions. And higher chordates are homeotherms, who keeps the body temperature constant, whatever the environmental conditions may be. As per yesterday's outline classification of phylum Chordata, it includes a marine group. The animals are with the sluggish body, sedentary in nature. They have notochord towards the tail region in embryonic life. Tubular nerve cord is present. This particular group show well-developed larval forms than adults. Usually, adult will be well-developed than larvae, but in urochordates, there is a retrogressive metamorphosis, means larval stages are more developed than adult. So whatever systems are developed in larval life, they slowly degenerate as they are proceeding towards adult life. This you have to remember. In Urochordata, the body is sluggish and it has a deposition of special cellulose with the pectin. So this we call tunica. Hence we call them as tunicates. They have excretory organs called protonephridia. They have lateral gill slits for respiration. They show post-anal tail. There are few animals included in this particular group like Herdmania, Salpa, Doliolum. Moving to second subphylum under Chordata, Cephalochordata. Cephalization means formation of head. So head is prominent, body is laterally compressed, similar to the fish, exclusively marine. They have lateral numerous gill slits for respiration. Here, notochord is complete from head to tail region, persisting throughout the life of the animal. They are unisexual. Fertilization is external, development is also external. There is only one animal included in this Cephalochordata. Scientific name is Bronchiostoma and commonly we call Amphioxus. These animals look like fish. So there is a connecting link with the Pisces group, invertebrate. As the animal body is tapering towards both the ends like an arrowhead, we call them as lancets. Coming to the next subphylum, including well-developed chordates, where main feature you need to remember, notochord replaced by vertebral column. They have locomotory appendages. There are total 2 pairs of limbs. Aquatic forms have fins. They have closed circulatory system with the chambered heart. Some are oviparous, some are viviparous. Some are poikilotherms, some are homeotherms. This group we call vertebrates. In vertebrata, jawless animals belongs to a group Agnatha. Most of the animals are now extinct. They are exclusively marine animal, look like a fish with a circular round mouth. They used to feed like this. The animal name is Petromyzon. Coming to the Gnathostomata, second group under vertebratum. Here animals having jaws. They may be aquatic or terrestrial. So based on the habitat and locomotory appendages, we classify Gnathostomata as Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces includes fish, aquatic, laterally compressed body, having head, trunk and the tail. These animals are known for aquatic life. They have paired and unpaired fins. The skin is provided with the scales. These are some general features of superclass Pisces. Under Tetrapoda, the animals are amphibious or terrestrial, creeping, arboreal, burrowing, or bipedal. Bipedal means they move with the help of a pair of limbs. These animals have moist skin, rough skin, or covered with the fur or hair. In tetrapodons, the tail is prominent. Well-developed tetrapodons, they lost the tail. Under Tetrapoda, depending upon the locomotory organs and the habitat and typical features, 4 classes are included. In Pisces, 2 classes as cartilage fish, bony fish, Chondrichthyes, Osteichthyes. And while in Tetrapoda, we divide animals as amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammalia. So in the next session, we will begin with superclass Pisces, general characters. In that 2 classes are included, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. We are learning the differences, followed by phylum, class Amphibia, general characters with examples. Class Reptilia, general characters with example. In aves, all birds are included showing aerial mode of life. So these are highly adapted animals. We are learning that. And most developed group is mammals. Like this, in next 2 sessions, we are completing Kingdom Animalia. With this, I'll conclude today's session. Thank you very much.